Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm a princess and I'm here to play. And if you are not subscribed to my other channel, please do. That channel is called Little Playground of Dreams. Again, Little Playground of Dreams. Subscribe. I post more on there, but I'm on a 2-week punishment, so I will post on here for now. This will be my backup secondary channel, and I do post maybe on here twice a week, and the other channel I post 3 days a week over there. So we're just gonna play and be little and have lots of fun. And my train. Rolling here, rolling there, rolling everywhere. Welcome to the train station. We're also autistic, so we love trains. And we got this at Go Go VTech. Hey, go. Welcome to the station. Here comes the train. Rolling. The train will arrive in 5 minutes. Hello. Have a nice trip. The ball keeps not staying. The train is coming. Hello, hello. Have your tickets ready. Welcome to the train station. Welcome to the station. Here comes the train. Chugging here, chugging there, chugging everywhere. Choo choo, choo choo. Hello, train. It pushes the little ball in the front too. This little bally. Ich suche in nein. I'm trying to say it in German. Ich suche, das ist der und 5 Minuten ein. The train will be here. I would say das ist Bahnhof. Wie spät ist es hier und 5 Minuten? But maybe my German's more Yiddishy. I don't know. Or like more northern Germany, not like Austrian Germany. There's a little tower, like this cookie thing. Let's put the hay in here, or the blockies. All you guys can see, but I love playing with this. I got other videos on my other channel, my main channel I post more on, over there, of my toy train set, and check out my playlist on my other channel, and please check out my lives on my other channel. I'll be posting there soon after like the 2-week mark or the 1-week mark is done, the punishment thing. Because people make false accusations and got the channel in trouble. The train will arrive in 5 minutes. Welcome to the train station. Welcome to the station. Hello. Have a nice trip. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you, subscribers. If you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. And I got my new passy. It's really fun.